So this is an awesome comfort food dish. It's roast beef on toast, basically, with gravy. It's called SOS, for those who know. So here we have some roast beef I got from the deli, about a pound. And then I have some gravy, pre-packaged, make it simple. On the side, I'm making some asparagus. I'm going to toast up some of this bread and add a little butter. And then we're going to stick the roast beef on top and a little bit of gravy. Very simple, but very delicious. So we're going to start cooking the asparagus. Now we're going to cook this gravy. So I'm adding my bread to the oven. A little bit of oil in the pan. Just going to cook the roast beef just a little bit. Now we'll add our beautifully toasted bread to the plate. And a little bit of butter. Warm up our roast beef. I have 2 portions coming, so we use about half a pound. So the asparagus is coming along at about time. It's starting to get warm. Salt and pepper. Gravy's about ready. Give this a little browning. For 1 portion. Pepper. Got a little au jus on the side.